Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, I'm Citroen MR2, and today is a bit of a sad day to be honest, and kind of a weird feeling. It's kind of bittersweet because the MR2, the lovely misty one, I'll put a picture here, is finally leaving home and is being passed on to somebody else. So it's a really big day for Chris and I because that was Chris's first car. He passed his test in it and we've loved that car so much. It's been babied, it's been restored back to factory, and it's just a really sad feeling. But one car is coming out and another car is going in the garage, and I'm not sure how long for because it needs a whole sill welding and it's not our traditional style, but more of that will be over on Chris's channel. So anyway, I am in charge of the Honda today, which is very nice of Chris to let me drive it finally. And yeah, let's go sell our car. There's a couple of other bits that I need to do in the garage. So for Christmas I got some of the side panels, like the add-on vents. So I'm going to put those on the MR2, but they need to be sanded down, painted, all of that good stuff. So whilst we're down at the garage, I'm going to do that. And also, if you guys remember our bumper project, I know it has been dragged on, but we are going to be doing some more of that. It's structurally more okay than it was, but still nowhere near. So we're going to be trying to fiberglass a little bit more on that, but it just depends how much time we have today. And this is the other car in question, guys. I know what you're thinking, but this car means a lot to their family, and so we are going to restore it, get it back on the road. It might go in for like a full respray, something like that, but for now we're just gonna take it to the garage. We've got little Red back in the garage to do the sills, and yeah, we're just gonna wait for this guy to come and pick Misty up. It's got like no fuel, but we're leaving it running just to get it to temp, so it's all nice and ready for him. We need to clear out the little compartments in the glove box just to get all of Chris's stuff out there. But yeah, this is the end of the journey. Oh, Jesus Christ, babe.
Sorry.
Guess what he had for Christmas, guys? So to make a quick Halford stop because we've just had an email that it is the January sale, even though it's still December, but it is the January sale and there is up to 50% off nearly everything in Halford. So we do not want to miss this, so we're going to quickly pop there, then we're going to wash the car so the guy who's picking it up can have it nice and clean and sparkly ready. And yeah, so I need to get couple of things. I need primer. Chris wants a new toolbox, so it's going to be an expensive trip, and a couple of other things, like if we see anything that we need. So yeah. What do we need? What do we need?
Not anything this one.
Oh, I need sandpaper.
Oh yeah.
Which sandpaper do I need? Should we just get one that's got
normally
like
I get like one that has like everything in it.
Yeah, I'll just get one.
You might not need that much. You could probably go for the cheaper.
Because we've got some of them already, because we're going to use discs we're going to use the orbital to sand some of it, aren't we?
Yeah, just to mainly scuff it.
Okay, I need primer.
Oh, yeah.
Primer.
Grey primer.
Am I in the wrong section for primer? Yes.
Do you click it as well?
No, because we're not painting it here, we're just priming it, remember?
But we need some anyway, don't we? Oh no, have we got clicker?
You're coming? Oh,
Do we have clicker?
I don't know.
Or do you want to buy some anyway?
Okay. Tool section.
That's the other one.
Now I've just lost him to the tools.
That's the 23.
See, that one's not so bad.
No, I don't like the folding ones.
Oh, I quite like them.
What do we need?
What do we need? What do we need?
Nothing from this cabinet.
Okay. We need the Allen key, like, pieces there.
Yeah, I think they do a kit.
Gangster car, guys. This is our dream right there. Do you see the wheels and how slammed it is, dude? And the private reg.
So I think you should look at the one I sent you the other day.
See, I do like the Mercedes, but I just don't know if I want to commit to it fully, because I have still got my heart set on the Prelude as well. I don't know. Yeah, I think you got that one. Of course, we have to do the quick little Hot Wheels hunt whilst we're here.
I got this. Did I get this?
Yeah.
Or did I get it in a different colour?
Look in your Hot Wheels app. You have the Hot Wheels app. And we have to be quick because this guy's coming to pick up the car, but... Any sick ones, what's that? It's pretty gangster, not gonna lie. It's pretty gangster.
Yeah.
Okay. There's more fake cars than there is like real. Whoa. Ayo.
The bus.
The bus.
But is it a long back or a short back?
Short, so you've already got it. We're not getting another one. Right, we're all done. We actually picked up this little calendar, and Chris picked up the most like middle-aged woman calendar you've ever seen in your life. Like, it's very floral, isn't it? Yellow, not our colour. But he picked that up just so we can keep track of like when our shows are, when we're away, like just so we're a bit more organised. And then I picked up this like weekly planner because I saw my sister got one.
And she was jealous.
And I was jealous. But I just thought it's really good because something that I like to do is like keep track of my content and like a posting schedule. Just keeps me a bit more on track when I have something visual. So hopefully that will help both of us, because 2026 is the year that we are going to make it on social media, and this will be a full-time thing. There you go, said, done. It's gonna be fun trying to get out of here because nobody lets you out. No one does. People don't think that we're all going to get to the same place like at the same time. Like, it really doesn't matter. Oh, Mr. Tesla, if you pull out in front of Teslas, they got auto brakes, so that's a fun fact for you. So if you're ever on the motorway, you can just dip in front of a Tesla and like scare the shit out of them. Right, I've got the hose out now and we're just going to give it a quick wash just because it has got a little bit of dirt on it. We have a bucket somewhere as well. Not sure where Chris has put that. We brought the snow foam and stuff like that. Most importantly, the Pepsi bucket. Here we go. Okie dokie.
Oh,
is it cold?
That's so cold.
This should be a bit cleaner.
Yeah. Oh, always happens on this car.
So I think it was like last year was the last time you got her out and drove her. It was to Caffeine, wasn't it?
Yeah. So that time was the last time she had like a full, like, polish, clean, like. But that car, when I took it to Caffeine, was like immaculate.
It was an MR2 versus MX-5 night or something like that.
And it was the cleanest
And it was
one
the
there.
cleanest MR2 there. And of course he parked next to mine, which
originally
wasn't looking so clean.
Forest,
So here she is, all nice and clean. The owner should be picking her up in about 10 minutes. So we're just going to go inside and clear out all of Chris's stuff from there. Right. What's that? This is a collection. I don't know if there's one in there at the moment. No, there's not. Oh my god. Christopher! What is this in your glove box? How much fuel do you put in your car? Yes. Semi-drying the car with, is it Standard Gloss? Standard Gloss. Towel, which is the best towel ever. Please sponsor us, we love you. So much. Like, look. It just gets rid of the water. So fast. Right, she's looking a bit more shiny now. A bit nicer. You wouldn't believe that this paint is so faded. Like, this is the actual paint code for the car and the colour that the car is, but in some lights it just looks completely different just because of, well, this car is what, 30 years old?
Yeah.
Something like that. It's crazy. Why do I feel really emotional?
She's gone. I know. That's crazy.
Are you sad?
Yeah.
I'm sad. I feel really upset.
Oh, why?
Because.
It's new beginnings.
Yeah, but I feel really upset.
I love that car.
Right, so after I've had a little cry about the car going, now it's time to get on to the real garage work, and it's not going to be like a full video or a how-to process because I don't really know how to, but basically I got these side panels for Christmas. I think they're the Bomex ones, and they sit like on top of the vents. But yeah, I need to sand these down, and I think I'm just going to prime them today, and then Chris is working on Little Red. If you want to see more of what Chris is doing to this car, because it's kind of crazy and this is a situation, then follow Chris. My GoPro battery just died, but you get the gist. Follow Chris on all socials. So from Halfords we got this new toolbox, and then we modified it so it's like the fastest toolbox ever. And then Chris got these pieces for his engine slash clutch that we're going to be doing really shortly. So yeah, he got this, but they don't fit in the toolbox quite nicely. But now we've got this one that's got 3 drawers, which is really nice. And I just got some paint and sandpaper that I needed to get. But yeah, he needs to do like a toolbox tour type situation. So anyway, these side panels, we just picked up some like sandpaper from Halfords. We've got the orbital sander to make it a little bit easier for ourselves, but I'm just going to go in with this one, just the prep one, and see kind of what it looks like.
Thanks to my partner Lex for getting me this amazing, really bright and very good reflection without any of the weird lines on the screen.
So this one's all sanded. I just need to sand those down a little bit, but they were getting annoying, so I'm going to come back to it. And now I'm starting on the second one. It's actually sanding up really nicely, nicer than I was expecting, and it doesn't need filling, so that's good too.
Just look at it, surprisingly, considering this car's rusted.
So I have sanded these all down, got that a little bit off. You can still see a little bit, but it's not too bad. And yeah, we need to just brake clean those off, and then we can get to priming. So I'm just setting up our paint booth in the corner. Doesn't need to be a massive paint booth. Just that might be okay. And then we paint on a pump pot. So now I'm just using some brake cleaner, just sprayed it on there just to get rid of all the dust and everything, so it's a clean surface ready for the primer. Whilst I'm waiting for the brake cleaner to just absorb into the air, I'm just going to shake this. I think it's like 2 minutes, something like that, or until it's done, and then we can get priming. Okay, so this has been warmed as much as possible, and shaken, so I guess we'll just go for it. We'll test it first.
Shaken, not
stirred.
Should I just be raw?
Yeah. So now I'm just gonna wait for these to dry before I brake clean it again, and then do a second coat of primer on it. So, little update, we have stripped the inside of the red car pretty much, and it's just the rear seats that we're trying to figure out now, and then take the carpet out ready to be welded. But that will be a completely separate video, a completely different day, because it is nearly 5 o'clock now. We've got a 2-hour drive home, still got a shower, pack all our stuff. So sadly the side panels won't be finished today. They've had literally a first layer of primer, but don't worry guys, that will be in the second video and on all of my socials, so you can see it there, see what they look like, because I don't know if I'm going to just leave them black. I'm not sure. What do you guys think? But yeah, we're gonna have to leave that there, just wait till they're dry, and then we can pack them up, pack up all of our mess somehow in that boot. But yeah, we're just gonna crack on with whatever this situation is right now.
It might have to be a Googleable.
It might. We're the one that normally makes the how-to content. Where do you think we get the how-to from?
I don't know, because I don't know if anyone's going to have a video on this.
Who strips out a C1?
I don't know.
I don't know. Apparently us.
Oi! A bit of wiggling. It's a back and forth jobby.
But yeah, we are so sad to see Misty go today, but you know, we have got more projects, and it does allow us to do more things like have the Accord. It does allow us to do more projects like this, which is super important to do. But yeah, I'm sure we'll update you guys on our socials, and we will be a lot more active after Christmas because we've got a lot more going on, like with Chris's car, my car, me potentially getting a new car. Are you good?
Yeah, don't mind me.
Don't mind me in the corner. Just okay. Yeah. But yeah, after the new year guys, we'll be super active. I'm trying to be more active on YouTube as well. because yeah, we've got engine problems, clutch problems, general car problems, rust problems.
Yes! Sorry.
We've got all the problems, but we'll see you guys after the new year.